Hi, and how are you all today? I'm Priyanka and let us discuss the following question. It says, say true or false. Now, the first statement given to us is, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. So, let us draw a rectangle and let us see what it is talking about. It is saying that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. We know that it is true that all the angles of a rectangle are of 90 degrees and therefore it is a right angle. So the answer we'll write here will be that this is a true statement. The second statement given to us says, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. So if you carefully observe this figure, the opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. So that means this is again a true statement. Proceeding on to the third statement. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. This is a square and we are talking about its diagonals. That is the line joining the opposite vertex. Now, here the as one of the properties of the square we know says that the diagonals bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. So, therefore, again this is a true statement. Proceeding on further with the D part, says all the sides of the rhombus are equal in length. That is a true statement, as one of the properties that we have studied that in the rhombus all the sides are of equal length. Hence, the answer will be again true. Proceeding on with the E part and the F part, it says all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. This is one of the properties of parallelogram. All the sides of a parallelogram are equal, hence it is called a rhombus. But it's not necessary that all sides of a parallelogram are equal in length, as one of the parallelograms, as we know, is a rectangle, but all the sides of a rectangle are not of equal length. So there are few parallelograms who have all sides equal, but we have few parallelograms whose all sides are not equal. Hence it is a false statement. Proceeding on further, the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. If we know the figure of a trapezium, the answer will be very easy for us. This is a trapezium. One pair of opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel, but the other sides are not parallel to each other, as if we extend these lines, they will intersect at a point. Therefore, it is a false statement, as the opposite sides of a trapezium are not parallel. One of the pair of opposite sides are parallel, but one of them are not. Hence, it is a false statement. So, I hope you enjoyed the session, and do remember, if you have reasons for all the statements and if you are able to justify it, then your answer will never be wrong. Bye for now.